Hey fellow travelers! If you're planning a trip in 2024, you're in for a treat. We've compiled a list of the 35 absolute must-do activities and a heads up on 3 things you should avoid. So buckle up and let's explore the land of smiles. Go island hopping in Thailand. If you're in Thailand, exploring its stunning islands is a must. With over 300 islands, consider adding a few to your itinerary. Begin by selecting your top Thai island, and from there, venture into island hopping. Among the favorites are Phuket, Phi Phi Islands, Koh Samui, Koh Lanta, and Krabi. Each has its unique charm waiting to be discovered. Ride a Tuk Tuk. When in Bangkok for the first time, hopping on a tuk-tuk is a must. It's not only a blast, but also a common and often cheaper mode of transport than taxis. Negotiate the fare before starting your trip, ensuring a smooth ride to various stop attractions. The tour covers a lot of ground, providing a taste of the best Bangkok offers and making it a worthwhile and enjoyable experience. Take a street food tour. After a ride, the question is, what to eat in Thailand? Opt for a street food tour. It's the best way to savor authentic Thai dishes at pocket-friendly prices. With a local guide by your side, you'll get to try various delicacies and gain insights into Thai cuisine, understanding what each dish is made of and its unique flavors. Elephant Nature Park. Embark on an enriching experience at the Elephant Nature Park for a meaningful and ethical interaction with these majestic creatures. This sanctuary prioritizes their well-being, allowing you to connect with elephants in a responsible and compassionate environment. It's more than just a visit, it's a chance to contribute to the conservation and care of these incredible animals. Visit a floating market. Take a boat ride and experience a touch of Venice with a Thai twist at Damnon Saduak Floating Market. Save your appetite before exploring this bustling market, brimming with fresh produce, fruits, cooked delights, and delightful local souvenirs. Located 60 miles outside of Bangkok, it's the city's most famous floating market. Khaosan National Park. Explore outdoor wonders at Khaosan National Park with hiking, canoeing, and rafting adventures. A 160-million-year-old park, its older and more diverse rainforest than the Amazon offers a unique stay in overwater bungalows on Khaosan Lake, a truly exceptional experience in Thailand. Visit the Grand Palace. A visit to Bangkok is only complete with witnessing the grandeur of the iconic Grand Palace. It is undoubtedly the must-see attraction of this vibrant city that is sure to leave you awestruck with its breathtaking beauty. The intricate detail and stunning architecture demand at least 2 hours to explore the royal grounds. For a quieter temple experience, explore Wat Phra Khao, Temple of the Emerald Buddha, Wat Po, or Wat Arun. Get a Yant tattoo. Bring home a lasting memory from Thailand, a Yant tattoo. Crafted by a Buddhist monk using a metal rod, not a tattoo gun, it's more than ink on skin. Each tattoo is believed to carry magical blessings for specific protection. It's a cherished souvenir, a reminder of the time spent in the country. Take a Thai cooking class. An essential experience is mastering Thai cooking. Classes often begin at local markets, helping you understand ingredients. Learn to cook your favorite dishes, making finding these ingredients back home at your local grocery store easier. It's a flavorful adventure worth undertaking. Watch a Muay Thai fight. Experience the excitement of a renowned Muay Thai fight, Thailand's national sport. Known as the art of 8 limbs, fighters use fists, elbows, knees, and shins in this full-contact sport. Visit the White Temple in Chiang Rai. Nestled in Chiang Rai, northern Thailand, the enchanting White Temple, known as Wat Rang Kun, captivates with its pristine beauty. Aptly nicknamed the White Temple, its striking appearance is a visual masterpiece. Get a Thai massage. Indulge in a daily Thai massage. A must, especially on rainy days. Unlike soothing oil massages, Thai massages involve unique pajamas, firm pressure, and even walking on your back. It might be intense, but the post-massage bliss is unbeatable. For a milder option, try a foot or oil massage. Affordable, it's a rejuvenating treat at $6 to $10 per hour in Thailand. Watch the sunset at a sky bar in Bangkok. Experience breathtaking sunsets from the Bangkok Sky Bar. Our top pick is Red Sky Bangkok. No strict dress code and a 5 to 7 p.m. happy hour makes it a perfect evening spot. It's a fantastic way to wrap up your day in Bangkok. Hike Koh Phi Phi Viewpoint. Take a rewarding hike to Koh Phi Phi Viewpoint for the island's finest vistas. Early mornings beat the heat, and don't forget water. It's a workout, but the breathtaking view of the Andaman Sea makes it worthwhile. Ideal for early risers or those battling jet lag, it's a must-do in Phi Phi. Eat Pad Thai. Savor the magic of authentic Pad Thai in Bangkok, surpassing any you've had back home. Seek out vendors preparing it fresh. The streets offer some of the best. For under $2, relish an utterly authentic culinary delight. Ladyboy Show. While strolling in Thailand, the vibrant Ladyboy community stands out. Catch the spectacular Chiang Mai Ladyboy Show at the Night Bazaar, pure entertainment by talented performers, not a ping pong bar. For another spectacular show, head to Phuket's Simon Cabaret, featuring stunning performers and captivating entertainment. Visit The Beach. After witnessing Leonardo DiCaprio in The Beach, visiting the natural paradise Maya Bay is a dream come true destination. Party on Khaosan Road. Whether you're into partying or people watching, Khaosan Road is a vibrant hub. Dubbed the center of the backpacking universe in the book The Beach, it's a hotspot for Southeast Asia's backpackers, offering chances to mingle, indulge in affordable Thai massages, savor street food, grab a drink, and shop for inexpensive t-shirts or elephant pants. Visit Thailand's crazy train market. Mae Klong Train Market is unlike any other in Thailand. The uniqueness lies in a train passing through it. Vendors swiftly clear the tracks and fold their awnings when the train approaches, sometimes right over their goods. Witness the market rapidly setting back up. It's a fascinating spectacle. Plan your visit by confirming the train schedule, though be ready for a slight wait as it doesn't always run on time. Rock climbing in Krabi. Seeking adventure in Krabi? Try rock climbing the colossal limestone pillars at Ride Beach, a hotspot for climbers worldwide. Go diving in Thailand. Discover the underwater wonders. Thai islands offer some of the world's finest diving spots. Nearly every Thai island hosts dive shops. Khao To, nestled in the Gulf of Thailand, stands out as the most sought-after diving destination in the country. Eat a scorpion. This might not be everyone's cup of tea, but where else can you try a crispy fried scorpion? A unique Thai experience. If scorpions are too daring, opt for crickets or an ant salad. Eating bugs is common on Khaosan Road, a peculiar but customary treat in Thailand. Try durian fruit. Durian, known as the world's smelliest fruit, is often banned with a spiky X sign in buildings and taxis. Despite being available fresh, dried, or as ice cream, many find its taste unappealing. But it is also the famous fruit of Thailand. Stay in an overwater bungalow. Experience overwater bungalows without traveling to Tahiti or the Maldives. Thailand offers several options, including floating houses on the River Kwai. Drink a Thai iced coffee. This highly sweetened treat is irresistible. A typical Thai iced coffee costs around 25 baht. It's my go-to fuel for the day. Visit the temples in Chiang Mai. If you adore exploring Southeast Asian temples, Chiang Mai, akin to Angkor Wat, is a must. Chiang Mai boasts over 300 temples, making the old city a temple-rich area. Among the famous Chiang Mai temples, Doi Suthep atop Doi Suthep Mountain stands out. This city, often featured in top travel guides, exudes a small-town ambiance despite being one of Thailand's largest cities. Visit Sukhothai. In the 13th century, Sukhothai was the first capital of the Kingdom of Siam. Explore its UNESCO World Heritage Site with restored temples and monuments. a gem among Thailand's ancient complexes, definitely worth exploring while in the country. Explore a night market. Explore vibrant night markets across Thailand, perfect for dining, shopping, and enjoying music. Among the country's finest, Chiang Mai's night market operates every night just outside the old city. Don't miss the Saturday night market and the Sunday night market. Experience leisure in Koh Lipe. Every vacation deserves a couple of leisure days, and Koh Lipe is the ideal spot. Picture white sandy beaches, turquoise waters, $10 beach massages, affordable drinks, breathtaking sunsets, and the world's best curry with a view. All of this awaits you on Sunrise Beach in Koh Lipe, making it a favorite island in Thailand. Drink a bucket. In Thailand, it's not just a drink, it's a Thai bucket. Choose your preferred alcohol, like Sangsom whiskey, and mix it with Coke in a bucket filled with ice, typical on party islands. Don't miss the famed full moon party on Koh Phangan or its lively half-moon alternatives. There's always a party there. Visit Big Buddha in Phuket. Spot the iconic Big Buddha, a 147-foot marvel in southern Phuket crafted from white marble. The drive is worth it for the breathtaking views of Phuket from this popular tourist attraction. Have a coffee at the Themed Cafe. Ditch Starbucks for Thailand's quirky themed cafes. Explore Bangkok's extraordinary cafe scene, featuring gems like the Unicorn Cafe, a pastel fairyland where you can don unicorn onesies. If you're a dog lover, visit True Love Cafe to spend time with adorable huskies. Visit Kanchanaburi and the bridge over the River Kwai. Discover Kanchanaburi's highlight, the iconic bridge over the River Kwai. Explore Erawan National Park, and don't miss the chance to hike to the stunning Erawan Falls. Get soaked at Songkran. Experience the Thai New Year with the world's largest water fight, a Songkran tradition. From April 13th to 15th, Chiang Mai is the ultimate celebration spot. Explore an all-out water war. Even sweet Thai grandmas will drench you. It's a wild and exhilarating festival experience. Eat a ham and cheese toastie at 7-Eleven. Ease a hangover or grab a quick snack at a nearby 7-Eleven in Thailand. They're everywhere. Check the refrigerated section for sandwiches warmed up in their magical toaster. The ham and cheese croissants are a favorite. Tell the cashier, make hot. Seriously, it works. What not to do in Thailand? Thailand warmly embraces visitors, emphasizing the need to respect cultural norms. Modest attire is crucial at Buddhist temples, and adherence to posted rules is essential. Temples bear immense cultural significance, demanding respectful conduct. Seek permission for photographs, avoid sensitive topics, interact graciously with locals, and always tip. While it may not be part of your plans, it's likely to happen. Despite appearing fun, riding elephants involves cruel training. This negative animal tourism must end in Thailand. Please avoid supporting elephant rides. Promote their humane treatment instead. Experience the tranquility of Thailand, but gear up for an incredible adventure as we go on board a 14-day journey through Japan's distinctive and diverse cities. Your next travel chapter awaits. See you there!